Today I'm making loaded green beans. So what I've done so far was taken fresh green beans, washed them and cut the ends off. I'll be adding some oil, some bacon and seasonings. I'm going to put them in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to make up a delicious sauce to drizzle over top. So let's get it ready. So all I have right now is avocado oil, so that's all I'm going to use. So just drizzle over the top. Oh no! Green bean overboard! There we go. Just put those on the pan. And I'm going to move them around a little bit. And then I'm going to sprinkle on the seasonings. So I'm going to do, I've got the pink Himalayan salt. Got pepper. Onion. And of course, garlic. And I'll probably mix that just a little bit more. And like I said, 425 for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on them. And then when they come out, I'm going to put on a lovely sauce. I hope it's lovely. I'm going to try it. I've got a mix that I want to put together. I'm going to do bacon. All right, I'm going to put it in the oven. All right, the green beans are ready. And so now it's time to make the sauce that I don't know if it's going to work. So we're going to find out together. So I was thinking that if I blended sour cream and a little bit of guacamole and drizzle it over, that maybe it will taste good. I don't know. You'll find out with me. So far I have the guacamole and the sour cream already in the bottle. And I think I'm going to thin it out a little bit with a little bit of water that I have in my mug. Oh, that poor puppy wants some bacon. Oh, I hear him whining. I saved some bacon for you, baby. Hold on. All right. So it doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to drizzle it over top. Maybe. I got pieces of the guacamole getting stuck. Even though I cut off the tip a little bit. Oh, that should be good though. All right, I'm going to make my plate. Another green bean overboard again. All right, so let's try it. That's good. Yeah. I really like that. I'll probably actually put a little more of the sauce on there. It's really good.